Sanding 3D prints is the most common polishing method. Sanding by hand is a time-consuming process, and you can't guarantee a professional finish. Small particles of plastic become airborne, and inhaling that dust from the sanding process can be harmful. Using steamed chemicals treatment is another method, but those machines for it can be very expensive. So, we designed a low-cost chemical steaming machine, Polysmoother. Polysmoother is a user-friendly, affordable polishing tool. Polysmoother has power, time, and temperature controls for ease of use. Choose the appropriate solvent, set the temperature, and place the print into the container. Then, turn on the machine and the polishing process will take 5 to 10 minutes. The solvent will be heated and will evaporate. After the smoothing treatment, let the print air dry and enjoy its smooth, beautiful form. All the layered lines disappear, and only the clean and smooth surface is left. Regardless of the size of the print and whether it is a simple or complex structure, you can use the Polysmoother and process your builds. Polysmoother has a simple look, and you will be amazed by how powerful it is. Polysmoother is designed to be durable and is made from stainless steel. It has a glass lid for easy observation of what is going on inside, as well as to preserve the temperature and prevent leakage. You can also tie some string to your print and hang it within the container for better finishing. We hope to contribute to the 3D printing community by bringing this project to life. Please back our Kickstarter project to help us achieve our goals.
Nothing beats that fresh out of the shower feeling. So why would you dry off with a smelly, musty towel? You may not think your towel is dirty, but in less than 3 days, your towel collects more than 400 times the bacteria on your toilet seat. The bacteria on bath towels are no joke. That's why we created Soji, a silver-infused towel produced with traditional Japanese towel-making methods that will help you stay clean. Discover what it feels like to be truly fresh and clean after every shower with Soji. How does it work? With pure silver woven into Soji's fibers, the positive silver ions enter the cells of the bacterium they come into contact with, entering their cell membrane and rupturing the bacteria. As a result, Soji eliminates bacteria after contact, day after day, dry after dry, keeping clean and free from contaminants. Never deal with musty or smelly towels ever again. Soji is made with 100% all-natural high-thread count bamboo fibers, which means it is also naturally hypoallergenic, hyperabsorbent, eco-friendly, and will outlast normal cotton towels in keeping shape, strength, and durability. While our bamboo fibers are already durable and resistant to piling, fraying, and general wear and tear, Soji's artesian stitching keeps the fibers tight at the edges of the towel to keep them from loosening over time. Soji is hyper-absorbent and quick-drying. In fact, it can hold 5 times its weight in liquid. Soji delicately dries on contact with your skin, so you won't need to scrub or scratch with your towel while feeling like you're just smearing around water. Just give it a hug and it'll do all the work. Our weave creates open-air chambers that allow for optimal airflow and quick drying. Perfect for travel, the beach, or the pool, Soji dries 3 times faster than standard towels, which also helps fight the musty, moldy feel of regular towels. It's time to rethink the way we make towels. Self-cleaning, anti-odor, and out of this world comfortable. You'll wonder how you ever lived without Soji.
Hi, I'm Miguel Angel. I've worked in the world of fashion for more than 12 years. I'm in the sports sector for the last 5. I've improved in shoes productions, new materials and technologies. After more than a year and a half of hard work, I present you Endlaces. For virtual models of shoes of the market without affecting the design and structure of the original shoes, the most efficient way to tie laces. Easy, quick, and secure. Designed for high-intensity sports activities. Tighten it more when you most need it. It never loosened under any circumstances, in any kind of weather. Release the tension in your feet in no time. With one hand on each foot, imagine how much time you will save. Children love it. The elder community also appreciates its benefits. What about people with disabilities? Little mistakes can cause serious accidents in day-to-day life. Have you tried doing your laces with one hand? You will never again trip over or entangle your laces. Small and weightless. Its minimalist design and versatility makes it on trend for urban and casual style. You can transfer it from one shoe to another. The detachable reel for tying laces. We have put a lot of work and passion into making you and your loved ones' life easier. We are sure you will like it when you try it, and so will everyone who sees it in your feet. Transform your trainers and make all your shoes unique. You won't regret it. And laces.
The most popular game in the galaxy has finally landed on planet Earth. Being devoid of any setting, the game can be defined as universal, as it's based on visual perception of symbolic geometries. Auto is the most abstract game ever. It's as simple as it is complex, easy to learn, hard to master. Auto is totally plastic-free. We strongly believe in environmental sustainability. From 2 to 4 players, 8 to 88 years, 36 minutes to play a match. This huge number represents the possible game situations. To simplify, almost 8 followed by 28 digits. And endless fun.